Okay. It's PTG on the mic. Pano ngwarumobvunza nezvema baseline. To those who are asking about, if I'm gonna posting any Sungura baseline soon, possible. So today I'll just be, demonstrating, starting from the, structure of it to how you can come up with your own baseline. So we're gonna be using this simple line. I think if you like those who play in church, they can play these notes. Usually in gospel they do this. So now let's go to a fast groove like a Sungura one. So now what we are adding on these notes, so remember the first one was second chord, then we go back, so now just adding this note. So let's go to and edit on our baseline.